Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Inside this particular video I'm going to show you more updates on our step index, and also I'm going to show you what has happened in the market so far. This is boom 501 minute time frames. You can see that we have had our indicator on this particular chart, so you can use this indicator to catch up your spike, and you can use the same indicator to catch up your trade on massive profits, guys. So I told you guys that after I install your indicator on this chart, this particular indicator that you see here is represents the trend of the market, which means it gives us a downtrend which go on a massive downtrend, and when we have the second indicator here, it go on a massive uptrend. As we can see now, we have the uptrend here, and we can see that we have a massive profit here from here to this particular level, and here we have a downtrend from here, and we can see that go down on a massive until we have our market on this particular spot. So you can see we have another one here. We have from this particular spot, you can easily enter your market from here, and you can move massively until you have the downtrend signal for this particular indicator. You can see this indicator are not reprint indicator. They did not reprint. Once it appear, it stay permanently on the chart. You can see that. So you can see that with this here, it gives us a signal that we have a downtrend at this particular moment, and when we see now, we are going to see that it respect that particular level, and it's come on a massive downtrend up to this particular one. And also from here, we can see that we have another massive uptrend again until we have another confirmation for downtrend. So you can see from this particular area too, it showed to us that we have a downtrend. We go on a massive downtrend, massively, guys, until we have the outcome of it at this particular level. You can see that. So we have another one from this particular level to this particular level. Don't forget, this is boom 501 minute time frames. So it has been so massive, and this is one of the indicator that you can help yourself with. So to get this indicator is very simple. All what you need to do is to reach out to us on our Telegram, and you are going to get access to this indicator, but this indicator is not for free. So we can see that we have another trend here that showed to us that we have a uptrend, and we can see we go on a massive until we have our downtrend at this particular moment. You can see that. So let me adjust the screens for you to see. You can see this is the downtrend, and we have another one pull down little bit, and we have from this particular level now. You can see the trade does not break this particular level. You can see it retraces back a little bit from here, and there's another pull up at this moment, which showed to us until we have our price at this level. So from this level now, we are going to be taking another sell opportunity, which go on a massive downtrend. You can see from this particular zone until we have it on this particular arrow again. So that's another massive. Imagine how much we are going to be making from this duration of time until we have another pull up in the market. And we can see now the market currently now is still fluctuating based on the next updates. So this is how this indicator works. This indicator is so massively, and also it also works on our step index 200. If you want this indicator, is something that you can do. And also we advise you to trade with this indicator because it's one of the best indicator, and these are not reprint indicator. This particular arrow that you see here also, which it represent our downtrend and our uptrend. You can see the red represent the downtrend, and we have the uptrend to represent the green one. It also not reprint. So these are not reprint indicator, and they are go massively on every trade. So you can use it on step index, you can use it on boom and crash, you can also use it on pain X, and you can also use it on our gain X 1 2. So that is how this indicator works. So see you guys in our next video. Thanks.